Hey y'all, welcome back. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Queen Preco, and you watching this video in Preco's world. Period. Baddie Central. So if you're watching this, you're a baddie. That's all I gotta say. You're a baddie. And today, y'all, guess what? I was sent my first wig. $3.99. My first wig. And we're gonna be reviewing it. And I'm gonna tell you my pros and cons, and if I like it or not. I probably will, because what? So yeah, so thank you, the Youngther Store on Amazon, for sending me this headband wig. The texture is Afro kinky curly, and the wig that I received was 18 inches, and the color was 1B, and it was only $19.99. Like, babes, save your money, save your coin. We in a panoramic right now. We in a panoramic. So let's get right to it. The wig came in this pretty package. It's a blue package. I don't know what it is. It's a blue bag. And the company sent me, let's see what it sent me. I opened it already just to see it because I was really excited. But they sent me a weaving cap and the wig, obviously. The wig. And they sent me a headband. Because I did not go out and buy a headband. I did not. The wig is no lace at all. No lace at all. It has 3 combs. 2 on the side and 1 at the bottom for the nape of your neck. And it also has this thing to use, you know, to secure your head. So we're gonna put it right on, and I suggest that you definitely get cornrows, because I saw reviews where people said their headband wigs were sliding back, and that's because they didn't have cornrows, so they didn't use these clips to secure their hair better. And just in case anybody wants to know, these edges took me like an hour and a half because my hair is 4C and it's the most demonic hair type ever to exist on this planet. But how I slayed it, let me tell you. I use this beautiful 24-hour edge tamer. Sorry, my nail broke. This 24-hour edge tamer, Ebin, New York. I got it from my local beauty supply store, but I found it on Amazon for the same price. So everything that I'm using in this video, I will link it down below, which is only 2 things. So let's do this. I'm gonna link this thing in the back. Woo! Oh my god, that was not smart. How about I just, ooh, this is about to look so good. Okay. Ooh, this is giving. And I haven't even put it on completely yet. Ooh, this hair is getting into my nails, but that's me because my nails is long. Okay, the Youngther Store. What? This is so cute. Okay, and I'm gonna try on their headband because you gave it. Oh wait, hold on. Stiff wear. Okay, wait, hold on. Thumbnail photo. So I can put it behind my ears. I can probably take some hair out in the front. Ooh, this is cute. Anyways, now I'm gonna put on this cute headband that they gave me. I could just wear it like this, just run out when my friends be like, "Price will be outside and we about to make a move." Like, like, I'm like, headband. Whew. I am ready. I'm ready to go back to college, y'all. Okay, let's put this on. I swear this is not the right way to put on a headband. Oh, see, it's definitely not the right way. I think I'm supposed to take the wig off and then put it back on. Put this and then put the wig on. It's okay. Okay, y'all, I learned that with these things, I don't know how to do it like when you together, so I do it separately. I kind of, which side I want to do, so I kind of ball this up and I just put it to the back like that, and I take this part and I flatten it out. Yeah, because doing both of them makes it look so bulky, and that's not what I'm looking for. Okay, it's giving. Now my earring fell out. Y'all, my earring did not fall out. Anyways, I put some mousse. You know, I for some reason when you put mousse in a synthetic wig, it kind of gives it some type of life. I don't know why. I be doing that to all my synthetic wigs. I put mousse in it, especially with the straight ones. This is so cute. So this is a beautiful wig. Like, this is quick and easy to do. If you gotta do something, you gotta get something done, you don't have time to do your hair, throw this on, go. And it's a really good protective style too, so it doesn't hurt at all. The strap in the back does not hurt, the clips does not hurt, nothing. It's really comfortable, and you can do a lot with this wig in different styles, and I probably will make a video about different ways you can style this wig, so you don't have to just do this one back hair in the back look. And one of the cons is just like, I know it's about to detangle, so I just be careful with it. And the ways that I take care of my synthetic wigs is I just keep it on like a styrofoam wig head, and I just let it sit there like a cool area, because it's better to keep it a cool area than a warm area. It lasts longer. So yeah, this is it. Everything, all the wig details will be linked down in the description below. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you're gonna get it. That's really it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you can get reminded every time I post a video. And I hope you have a blessed day. Bye. Ooh, ooh. Stiff wear. Stiff wear. Oh, wait, hold on. Security. Hold on. Security. What? Security. Ooh. What if I was dancing? Like, okay, what if I was running? What if I'm gonna see if I can try this in the gym? Like, like, I got this. This is secure. Trying to snatch this off me. I'm too sweet. I'd be like, oh, I know you did not. But okay, bye guys.